Today we'll talk about how can you add or change display name on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on your photo profile. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit profile here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You come to display name, click on it here. Then here can you add your display name here in this list. So then you go above save, click on it here. It's going to show for you here, save, click on it. Then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.